Caledonian there. What we had happen today is that we had a vehicle traveling northbound on Quadra Street, lost control, and crossed over 2 lanes of traffic traveling in the opposite direction. The vehicle took out the hydro pole and proceeded to where it stopped just over there by the tree.
Came down, transformers and all?
Transformers and all, that's correct.
What kind of a situation is created when something like that happens?
Now that is a very, very hazardous situation. There are live wires on the ground. We have a wet roadway. Electricity can arc. It's a very, very, very hazardous set of circumstances.
I understand somebody, a pedestrian, one was injured and one went to assist.
There was a driver in the vehicle. It's my understanding that there was a pedestrian that entered that vehicle to render assistance to the driver at the time. We instructed the both driver and the pedestrian that were in the vehicle to stay in that vehicle as a result of the wires that were in the area until such time as hydro deactivated the pole and neutralized the electricity.
Anybody outside of the vehicle or pedestrians involved?
I don't have any information on that. I believe that there were passerbys and there were some other people that were in amongst the scene, but I don't have any knowledge as to anybody else involved.
Situation like this with live wires down, what is the emergency protocol? What's the first thing you need to do?
Well, you have to stay away. It is a very, very dangerous situation. Electricity can arc meters if the circumstances are right. And I would say to you that the circumstances were right given the conditions outside. To not go anywhere near and to obviously follow the advice of emergency crews that are on scene.
condition of the person taken to the hospital? How did he look?
He appears to be fine. It does not appear to be anything life-threatening. I've spoken to the driver. He'll be checked out at the hospital. I'm going to assume subsequently.
Any idea of how the accident may have occurred, what may have led to it, any circumstances?
There are several angles that we're investigating at this point right now. We're looking at anything from a medical problem to any number of different circumstances.
Lost my battery, but that's okay. I think I got it all.
Oh, okay.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Right, cheers.
Excuse me, check this. Someone's poisoning, dropping out poison between a butter sandwiches at 10 o'clock in the night.